2008 RX350 Lexus SUV. Here is yet another lovely RX350. What a wonderful vehicle. We love these Lexus RX. Just such a nice quality vehicle, nicely sized, not too big, not too small, easy to drive, very, very comfortable. And of course, with Lexus and Toyota reliability, you get an excellent vehicle that's got so much life left in it at any point. I'm going to try and do a quick video walk around of this one, show you the ins and out of it and exactly what it is, the blemishes, and just a full walk around. This one is finished in the crystal white color. What a fantastic Lexus Toyota color. Just looks fantastic out here in the sun with all the metallic popping, and just really sets the look of a lovely Lexus SUV. Moving up here to the front, it's in great shape, not all bugged out or rock chipped out. The headlights are in overall good shape. A little bit of light discoloration and oxidation, but could easily be cleaned up with the right tools and buffed out. A few little points of touch-up that have been taken care of here, looks like, on rock chips, but nothing major. These are HID Xeon headlights, so very, very nice and bright. Coming down this passenger side, very clean. Looks like we have one small little paint chip here on the body. Door sill edge guard. One small point of touch-up that's been taken care of here as well. But overall, very, very straight down the rest of the vehicle. Rear bumper corners and hatch are all in great shape. They don't show any major scuffs or scratches. Once again, a few more little points of touch-up. For a 10 or 12-year-old vehicle, that's going to be expected. A few little dents, but nothing, no garage door scratches or bumper corner scratches or anything like that. Moving down this driver's side, one small little smudge right there, paint chip probably. A couple small one in the plastic edge guard here. But I'm just getting very picky on the outside. Overall, it's in exceptional shape and just really looks sharp. The hood and the top end are all in great shape. No hail in the vehicle or anything like that. One thing on this particular one is we just installed brand new tires. This is a Goodyear Assurance tire. Very, very nice, high quality tire. Of course, the tread's going to be brand new on it. Very, very nice rolling tire, a good tread, and it's going to be able to serve this vehicle for many miles. Go ahead and jump on the inside here, take a look at it. The inside is really, the condition of this one shows like it's been well taken care of. Very, very nice. The seats and the whole inside are in great shape. There's no major wear on this interior. A little bit of light creasing on the edge here, which would be expected, but overall, you step back and look at the rest of the seat, it's in great shape. Of course, all power locks and windows. Does have memory seats on this one. Power liftgate, power mirrors, all your steering wheel and audio phone controls there, cruise control. Of course, a clean and clear dash. Being a Lexus and Toyota, these run so many miles. Do a quick key cycle on this so we can take a look at that. See it start up. $160,000 miles on this unit, but just very, very nice. And once again, being a Toyota Lexus, that's nothing for one of these. These go so many miles and really don't have any issues to speak of. They just are very, very, very reliable. This particular one does have the navigation system, which in turn comes with a backup camera and Bluetooth to talk on your phone. All of your audio controls here, multi-disc CD player and tape player there. Very, very nice sounding Lexus sound system. It does have a sunroof, of course, on a Lexus, all your controls there. This does have a nice dash pad that's been put on the vehicle. As many of you probably know, on this generation Lexus vehicles, they had some dash issues, so this one's been put on to help protect that. And really, really is nice. It's a high quality velour type quality dash pad, not one of those cheap flimsy ones, and it's color matched to go with the interior, so really, really looks great. Look at the back seat here, it's in great shape. It does have the floor mats in all 4 positions. I didn't put that on the front seat, but they do have them up there. The back seats are in great shape here as well. This does have a power lift gate, so with the press of a button, these do power up. It does have the rear mat for the cargo area, which is in exceptional shape, and the factory Lexus first aid kit. Those seats do fold down to where you could have full cargo space if needed. Passenger side rear seat, it's in great shape Once again, these back seats don't look like they've been really used hardly at all. Got one small little smudge here that just needs to be wiped up. And the passenger side seat, of course, this is the power seat on the passenger side, and just really looks great. Got a few small little coffee spills or something like that need to be wiped up. Go ahead and pop the hood on this, take a look at that. This is the excellent 3.5 liter Lexus Fwd V6. Very, very reliable engine. As you can see under this hood, it hasn't been detailed, hasn't been all dolled up, so you can see how this was. It's not trying to wash off a bunch of oil and grease or anything like that. You can see exactly how this vehicle is. As you can see over here, everything is right where you want it. All the fluids look great, runs great, sounds great, very, very smooth. I love the 3.5 over the 3.3, which is what was upgraded from, because they moved it to a timing chain system instead of a timing belt. So very, very reliable, no maintenance required on that, and just a very, very good under the hood experience there. So if this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Miles and Brad Beckman. You're Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're a small family dealership here in McPherson, Kansas, and we look forward to serving you however way we can. Find us on our website, eaglecareautos.com. Subscribe to us on our YouTube channel, like the video, find us on Facebook, and just let us know how we can help. This is a nice Lexus SUV. Like I mentioned, it's got a little bit more miles for 2008. Of course, that's nothing, but just a nice, high quality, very nice driving SUV. So thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to serving you however way we can.